Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called The Process of Life from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The Process of Life. Being human means we won't always feel strong and steadfast. We may feel inferior from time to time, and we may feel like giving up as well. That's the process of life, for without challenges, there would be no journey, creation, and thriving. You need challenges for growth, expansion, and creation, and you need challenges to strive for a greater humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe you need challenges also. Without challenges, life would be boring, I think. Imagine no challenges. You wouldn't have gratefulness. You wouldn't be thankful for anything because it'd just be there for you. So now when you have to work for something, work around something, persist on it, and when you finally get it, it's so rewarding and you're so grateful for it then, I believe. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.